Got a 10 kg haul today. This is my brother's haul and I'm gonna be unboxing it. Without further ado, I'm gonna unbox this right away. The whole box is blurring out because there's about 17 addresses on it. I can say though, CNFANS did a great job. By far the best I've ever seen. There was no damage at all. What I realized though is all my other Pandabuy hauls, they all got damaged, but none of my CNFANS ones have. I don't know why. It's not even, I don't even think it's CNFANS fault. So the shipping on this haul was around $130. It is around 10 kg, so that's actually pretty good. I don't know why it's so cheap. And my brother did use my shipping coupons on it. Play the ad. Do you want free coupons? If you're new, go to the first link in my description and click it, or go to my link tree and click this link. Then make your account, you'll get all the free coupons. If you already have an account, go to user center and enter Eddie. Click exchange. I agree and redeem, and enjoy your free coupons. Now back to the video. Everything in this haul will be in my spreadsheet, and I'll tell you the line and price on the screen when I'm opening that. Our brother got extra plastic and corner protection and carton guard. This is like a military personnel box, but I'm gonna just cut to one that's open because it's super hard to open. That took me like 10 minutes to get all that plastic off, by the way. That was way harder than it should have been. Off the bat, I got some Jordans. I think my brother accidentally ordered these. That's what he told me at least. So we're gonna see what he ordered. I have no idea what he ordered, so this will be a surprise to me what he ordered, because this is like his first haul ever. Oh my god. 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 Okay, so this is your sign to probably ship with the box if you're shipping stuff with leather, because this is what'll happen. This is not CNFAN's fault at all. This is more of the carrier literally throwing a package across the warehouse. I feel bad. I feel so bad because this was like his first haul. Out of my like 100 hauls, this has never happened to me this bad. So he got these for $35. The shoe itself is not bad, but whatever happened in the shipping process, they really messed these up. And I puffed this out, so like it was way worse than before. Yeah, I think this was a new seller he ordered from. I'm gonna tell him to order from my spreadsheet next time, because this was not good. Let me know what you guys think. Is this repairable? I don't think so. Okay, this is the next pair of Jordan 4s he got. I really hope he turned back, because I feel bad. I really do. Okay, well this shoe is like perfect, and then this one has a little bit of deformities. This is fixable. This is fixable. I seriously don't know why his shoes are the only shoes I've ever got that's been this messed up. I've never had shoes this messed up. I don't know why it's that got messed up. So these are the White Thunder Jordan 4s. I don't know who he bought from. But these are honestly not the best. For the spreadsheet part, I'm gonna put a better pair right here instead of these ones, because these ones were not good. 3 SRT Hellcat keys. This the red. 3 of these, and they come with batteries, and you can like code these to your car, so like it can actually like work on your car. So they have the batteries in them. I'm gonna open one real quick. I don't wonder what happens if I click the panic button, but this is pretty cool. I don't really know what the use is for this other than just to flex, because he clearly doesn't have a Hellcat SRT. Next item, by the way, you can get those Hellcat SRT Hellcat scat pack right here. Up next is this Chrome Heart t-shirt. Take out this. It's a Chrome Heart wrapping. Here's the t-shirt. It's actually a pretty cool design. Has a little pocket right there. CH on the bottom over there. And on the back you have this blue and purple cross design. I actually really like this. If this doesn't fit him, I'm definitely gonna take this from him. This is it's actually a pretty cool design. I like it. And then I crossed over here. But yeah, quality feels good. No complaints on my behalf. I don't know about my brothers, but appropriate tags. Okay, and then here we have this Represent hoodie. You can see the design. It is this naked man with the wings on his, with the R, and then Horizons by Represent. Here's a button on the hood. Click it together, and then your hood is buttoned up. Here's the design on the back. Represent. Bigger design. Represent. Not bad, not bad. Here's the link. I think that was like pretty expensive too. That did look really big, so I don't know how it's gonna fit. Pretty baggy. Represent is known for the bag. Next, we have another Represent. Here it is. It might be by the same seller. Kind of feels like it already. Represent, powered by enthusiasts. Represent England Owner Club. Same hoodie with the buttons. And then the back, powered by enthusiasts. Represent England Owners Club. As you can tell, my brother likes subtle designs just like me, so we just alike. But yeah, here it is. Kind of a boring haul, if you ask me. Here's where we can get this. Yeah. Okay, got 3 more things, so I'm gonna use this one. I actually did see this shirt. It looked pretty cool. This is I'm just gonna show it off. Another Represent. Wow, he's a big fan of Represent. Well, actually, I don't think I've ever seen this. I've never seen this. It is a Represent Yacht Club cream color t-shirt with this blue design. It's actually very like summer. It's got some summer vibes with it. Light colors. On the back, it says Yacht Club. Yacht Club. Pretty cool t-shirt. You can get that right here. Next, we have another Represents. Oh my god. I did not. I'm about to title this the Represent haul. Like, holy. Got like 10 Represent shirts. So this is another Represent. This is like a faded wash look, vintage look. Let's see the design. I have no clue what that is. That's it. Okay, it's like a woman, I guess. Oh, I see it now. And on the back, there's nothing. So that's the whole t-shirt. The quality kind of feels very thin. It's like fuzzy. Like it's got stuff growing on it. I don't know. But here it is. Here's where to buy it. Here's where yeah. Last item in the haul of this boring haul. It's not that boring, you know. It's like an average person's haul. Like of course I get extravagant stuff, but this is like someone's haul who actually like get in their haul and stuff. So yeah. So the next hoodie is a Essentials hoodie. So pretty much Represent again. Essentials, Fear of God. The screen print on the back, it looks pretty off center. I don't know why it looks like that. Maybe that's the design. Maybe that's Essentials, unique design. I don't know, but it's a pretty nice hoodie. It's actually very comfy. I kind of want to wear it. Just to FYI, my brother just informed me he got this off of doing Google image search on the CNFANS website. So like a image search function. So this seller had 0 sales. It costed like $30 and he just bought it and shipped it. So this is like a blind mystery box kind of. Oh my god, this is a thin hoodie. Alright, so here is the Represent hoodie. It's kind of like cropped, kind of like, not cropped, but just like a scrunched in at the bottom. Kind of short. But of course it's baggy on me, because yeah. But here on the back, you can tell how off-center it is. I don't know if it really is that bad. But that concludes the 10 kg brother haul. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. This is my video analytics, or my subscribers analytics.
It's
Analytics? 99% of you guys are not subscribed. Why? Just subscribe. You're watching my video, you made it this far. Like, subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, bye. Yeah, bye.